So I decided not to use the 289. There's more work that I'd have to put into it than I really want to put into it right now. I just need the car to move under its own power. So I was starting to look for me a good builder, which I'm not actually going to build it. I'm just going to freshen it up, which I'll make a video about the difference in that. As you can see from these pictures, this engine looks pretty raggedy. It actually looked better in person than it did in these photos. And as you can see from the description, he didn't really know much about it. He knew it spun, that was all, and it was $200, so I jumped on it. It was listed Saturday, and I picked it up Sunday. And this is a short video I made of what we did that day. Ready to go to Moulton to get an engine?
Yes, I guess so.
The guy told me it says it spins. He doesn't know anything about it other than that. I just put the other parts I got already in it if it spins and roll out.
We got enough parts between us. We're going to get it to go.
All right.
One way or the other.
You think we're going to be all right going to Moulton? I don't ever go down there.
Not me either.
All right.
This engine is
I liked all this cool stuff he had.
Yeah, a bunch of cool shit.
Yeah. Typical good old boy. This is called Cato or Midway or something like that.
I always thought it was called Cato.
I think it is called Cato.
Yeah,
so now y'all see that engine in the back there? There it is. It turned over good. I said that it probably is machined for a roller spider, which I figured it probably was. And he said it's got E7 heads on it probably, which I don't know about that. We'll see. I'm not sure. Maybe. I mean, it says 88, and those E7 is the the prefix 80. You got to look for the E7 is actually like up under the head. You got to take the head off and look.
I thought, can't you look at that cast that I'm on the corner too, like Chevy's?
I don't think so. So we'll check it out. So, I don't know. They use them longer than just 87 though. Definitely an 88. But I didn't think they put them in the trucks. But then again, I've also heard that the TE stands for truck. Very confusing.
Ford, yeah, they done a lot of shit like in the 70s. Make it all the same. I got a hankering to go with some message.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we're doing good dinner tonight. Fiesta place. No.
Now check this out. In the last video, I talked about not buying these from Matco and buying them from Harbor Freight. Wouldn't you say? Because I bought these from Matco. They were exponentially more expensive.
Yeah.
But this is a snap-on tool that definitely worth the money. PWZ. Oh man. When you put it on something, the more you push on it, the tighter it gets.
Oh, that was
golden.
Yeah.
Watch out, Cat. Cat, you are really dumb. Pop this thing off and see what we got. Roller cam, roller block. Snatch one of these heads off. Should be like right here.
E8 S1?
E8 S1, is that what it says?
Guessing, hell, I can't tell what the one mark.
Kind of what it looks like to me too. Got much play in these. I don't think it needs board with it.
I think this is gonna come out too. Yeah.
What's that?
Just
want to measure to see if this has been bored or anything. Nope. 399.